Think Section 8 is the only housing help out there? Think again. Today's video dives deep into the 7 most generous housing grants you probably never heard of, from huge federal programs to secret local gems, grants just for seniors and veterans, down payment help that could get you keys to your dream home, and even one extraordinary program that can pay off your entire mortgage. Sound unreal? Stick around because this info could change your life or someone you love's forever. Ready? Let's jump in. You've heard of Section 8, but did you know it's way more than just rental aid? This program covers up to 70% of your rent, capping your share at 30% of your income. And here's a game changer. Some areas let you use those vouchers toward mortgage payments, potentially opening a door to homeownership. Here's what you need to do. Contact your local public housing agency and ask about the Housing Choice Voucher program. Don't forget to inquire if they offer the homeownership option. But fair warning, waiting lists can be long and eligibility varies by region, so start early. Are you currently on a waiting list for Section 8, or have you used vouchers before? Tell us in the comments below. Down payment costs are a huge barrier for millions, but states and cities have hundreds of grants offering between $5,000 to $40,000 to ease that burden. Some even cover 100% of your out-of-pocket down payment. The catch? Usually you have to be a first-time buyer, meaning no home ownership in the last 3 years, and income limits typically around 80 to 120th of your area's median income. One of our viewers said their hometown awarded them a $10,000 forgivable loan, which means if you stay in the home for 5 years, that loan disappears like magic. Not bad, right? If you're dreaming of owning your own place, head to your city or county housing finance agencies and ask about down payment assistance programs. And pro tip, most require you to complete a homebuyer education course, which can be super helpful anyway. Hit the like button if you want us to do a deep dive into state-specific grants and unique programs for teachers, first responders, and healthcare workers. For our rural viewers, the USDA Section 504 Home Repair Program might be a game changer. Seniors over 62 can get up to $10,000 in grants for safety repairs like fixing roofs, electrical upgrades, or mold removal. No repayment required. Plus, if you qualify as low income, under 50% of your area median income, you might access a $40,000 loan at just 1% interest with a 20-year term. Altogether, that's up to $50,000 in help for urgent home repairs and improvements. These funds can't be used for cosmetic projects. Think safety, health, and accessibility, which makes it perfect for keeping a home safe and livable. Check out USDA's Rural Development Office near you and book an appointment. Applications are accepted year-round, but move fast before funds run out. For seniors who want to stay in their own homes safely, HUD funds local organizations to provide free modifications like grab bars, ramps, walk-in showers, and fall prevention upgrades. If you're 62 or older and meet income guidelines, this program could cover these changes with zero repayment. It's not a national direct program. Your local nonprofits decide who and where to help. So your best bet is calling the Elder Care Locator hotline or checking local HUD grantee lists. If you have a story of a home modification that made life easier, share it below. Your experience could help others. Veterans, this one's for you. The VA offers 2 major grants, the Specially Adapted Housing SECHA grant up to $121,812 and the Special Home Adaptation SHA grant up to $24,045. These cover home building, remodeling, or modifications for service-connected disabilities. Plus, if you're temporarily living with family, the Temporary Residence Adaptation Grant could help adapt that home. Start your application at va.gov. Just look for home loans and specifically specially adapted housing. These are some of the most generous grants you'll find. Know a veteran who could benefit? Tag them or share this video. Facing a tough patch due to medical emergencies, job loss, or disaster? The Gradient Gives Back Foundation offers up to 12 months of housing payments directly to your landlord or lender. No income limits, just a compelling hardship story. The application is simple but competitive, so prepare to share your situation fully. Visit gradientgivesback.com and remember, only use the official site. Share this video with someone who's struggling to keep a roof over their head. Finally, the one that can completely change lives. The Tunnels to Towers Fallen First Responder Program pays off the mortgage for first responders and military personnel killed or catastrophically injured in the line of duty. If eligibility criteria are met, this program wipes out the mortgage debt and can also provide funding for home adaptations. Let us know if you want a full video exploring veteran and first responder housing grants in detail. There you have it, 7 incredible housing grants beyond the usual suspects, each offering thousands and in some cases life-changing dollars to people across America. Whether you're a senior, veteran, first-time buyer, or facing tough times, there's help out there. If you found value here, please hit subscribe and the notification bell. We're bringing more ways to save money and secure safe homes coming up next. Got questions or want us to cover a specific grant program? Drop a comment below, and thanks for watching.